Hello. Hello. I'm Coin Ring Maker from coinringmaker.com. In this live, we're going to be making two Texas quarters into coin rings, a size 7 and a size 8. I'm going to jump right into it. If you guys have any questions while I work, feel free to put them in the chat. Let's go. First thing we got to do is punch a hole in our quarters. One down, one to go. If you'd like to get yourself one of these, you can tap the little shopping cart at the bottom of the screen. Got all 50 states available. Just pick your state and your size, and I'll get to work on it for you. All right, now we're going to deburr this inside edge right here. And show you a little before and after. So we got this one nice and smoothed out. That one's still nice and rough. So we will deburr the inside of this one. Thanks for the roses. Shout out to James, dropping the roses. Thank you, sir. There we go. Now we got it nice and smoothed out. We're going to hop over to the 1-ton arbor press. That's this bad boy. And grab our doming block. And we want Texas on the outside of the ring. So we're going to put that face down. If you guys want to see what these look like when they're finished, you can tap the little shopping cart on the bottom of the screen. Got some nice product photos there, as well as some friendly reviews. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you need a half or quarter size, I can do that. I just need you to leave a note when you place your order. Can you tell me a bit more about the ring you're talking about? Can you tell me what it was? Try and narrow down what we're talking about. y'all tap that little shopping cart if you haven't yet. Check out the product. These are state quarter coin rings, all 50 states available, handmade out of real quarters, just for you. Right now we're working on Texas. Yeah. I also have Puerto Rico if anybody wants Puerto Rico. There we go. Now we got our rings nice and stretched. I'm gonna head over here. I'm gonna smooth out the cut edge right here with a nail file block. I mean, usually, I send a tracking number. Did I not send a tracking number with your order, Dan? Maybe this may be something we need to chat about. I'm gonna give you a follow. Send me a message. We'll figure out what's going on with your ring. Usually, my rings arrive within about a week. So if it hasn't quite been a week yet, I would say wait a little bit. It seems like it's been longer than that. I did give one? Okay. Then in that case, it is in the hands of the United States Postal Service. Usually they're pretty good, but sometimes they can get a little held up. See if we can get it to focus on it. Yeah, there we go. Looking good. This one's gonna be a little bit smaller. Yeah, y'all tap on that shopping cart. Check out the listing. If you have any questions, let me know. I can see when you're looking. It says one person is viewing the product. We've got what? Almost 300 people in here. Y'all tap on it. Check it out. You're the one who won the ring from me. I don't really do any contests. So that might be somebody else. Don't see any sizes. Do I have different size rings? Yeah, you should be able to pick your size through the shopping cart down here. You pick your state and you pick your size. Yeah, I don't do engravings, so that's not me. You've got the wrong fella. Sorry about that. Wasn't me. Oh, do I do? I'm sorry, I thought this Douglas was Daniel. That's my bad. No, I don't do any engravings. The issue with engraving is you usually need a flat surface, and this is both curved and has raised detail on it, which makes it really difficult to engrave. I've actually bought two different pieces of equipment to try and do it, and neither one of them work very effectively. So unfortunately, that's not something I'm currently offering. In the future, I would like to get a laser that can do it, but they're pretty pricey. So that's going to be down the road a bit. So it's a bit difficult to sell silver here on TikTok. They require a lot of proofs of authenticity. So it's a little tricky for me doing what I do to sell it on here. But if you go through the link in my profile, you can find fine silver, 90% silver, sterling silver, 40% silver, clad. I even have 100% copper rings. This one is bronze. So there's quite a few more options if you go through the link in my profile. I don't see anywhere add half sizes. Yes, if you need a half size, just leave a note when you place your order. I can do half and quarter sizes. I just wasn't able to add them to the listing and have all 50 states. They limit the number of options I can add. So I wanted to make sure all 50 states were listed, so I had to reduce the sizes options, if that makes sense. So if you do need a half or quarter size, just leave a note when you place your order. It shouldn't be an issue at all. If anybody else has any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. There's a spot when you buy on TikTok Shop to, I think it says leave a message for the seller, something like that. I've had several people do it, so it shouldn't be terribly hard to find. So I can make them a lot faster if I'm not recording. Typically, I could probably do maybe 4 quarter rings in an hour. But some coins are a bit more difficult than others. I also try not to rush myself. I'm more concerned about the quality of the ring and how it looks when it's finished than how long it takes to make. But I am on here making coin rings every day, so if you do place an order, most people get theirs within about a week. There we go. So just a little before and after again. This is with the lip removed, and this is with the lip still in there. See that bit of raised metal right in there? That's what we got rid of. Now let's do it to this one. clean up the first one just a little bit more. Alright, so this one is just a little over 7. And this one is just a little below an 8. So we're going to stretch this one to an 8. Really close. Perfect. All right, we got our size 8. Now I'm gonna make this one a little smaller, get it to a size 7. Perfect. There's our size 7. Alright guys, if you haven't yet, now's a good time to hit that follow button. If you want to catch me next time I go live, making coins into rings. If you want to get yourself one of these, tap the little shopping cart on the bottom of the screen. I've got all 50 states available. And if you need a half or quarter size, just leave a note when you place your order. I appreciate you spending a little bit of time with me, and hope to catch you next time. Peace.